Yo, what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right now. And I just received the package that I'm supposed to be doing a review for. And the thing is, the way how I received this package is funny. I don't know if it got damaged inside the truck or just the way how it is, because he did hand it to me like this. So this is how I received the package, like this. So one, I don't even know why they would even put it in paper like this, knowing that it's a box and that it's going to get ripped up, and something at this size scale. I just don't know. But let's just take this out. There we go. So as you can see right here, this is the Fifine Tank 1. Now I request to do this review. They wanted me to do a review at with a different product. I literally request for this one specifically because I've been getting a lot of good words about this, and it's something I wanted to test on this thing specifically. So that's the reason why I request for it. So we're gonna put this to the match against one of my other microphones that I use all the time for all my reviews and stuff like that. So what's inside this? Let's unbox this thing right now. Okay, there we go. We do need the bat knife. And where is the bat knife? Where is my bat knife? Don't tell me I lost the bat knife. The bat knife is gone. And I don't remember where the bat knife is. I'm sorry about this, guys. But the bat knife is gone. No, I'm sorry. I'm just playing with you guys. The bat knife is here, right here. All right, you already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. We go right here. We go right here. There we go. Flip this bad boy around. This thing is heavy. I ain't gonna cap. Jesus. It's almost as heavy as my keyboard. Okay. There we go. We get the adapter piece and we get... Holy moly, this is a tank. No, literally, this is a tank. Jesus. Holy foamy momy. I don't even know what that was. I just made that up. Jesus, that thing is... Hold up. Yo, it's about the weight of this keyboard. Now, this keyboard is full metal. Aluminum, whatever. This thing is heavy, bro. Jesus Christ, that thing is heavy. I'm not gonna lie. Jesus. Where's my magnet? Okay, that's straight metal right there. So this must be aluminum or something. Yeah, that's metal there. That's metal. That's metal. That's metal. All that's metal, yeah. And yeah, this thing is a tank. That's the reason why they named it the tank. It's the tank. All right, so this is just the unboxing video. Stay tuned for the review of this. And yeah, we're gonna put this thing to the test. All right, so when I do the review for this, guys, I will tell you inside the video. But I'm going to do this video way different compared towards how I do my other videos when it comes towards the microphones. So way different how I'm going to be doing this one. All right, guys, I'm going to catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. Wow.